What does it do? It takes a prompt, right? You have the prompt here and you can see, so I use the email. So I say in the prompt, extract all entities and values from the following email, because the email that we're using, so this is like the sample data here. The sample data is actually the email. So let me get this out here. Let's go to Notepad. So for anybody that is watching, this is the email that we're getting, right? And look, it's somebody even from Australia right there. So, but that's the email. And so we can use that sample data as an input. We can use more fields. We can add inputs as much as we want. These inputs are getting used when we are using the action in our automation, right? So we have the input here is the email body. So we use this email body in this prompt, and then we ask the GPT model to extract all the entities from that email using a JSON format for your answer. So what it produces a JSON format as an output, because we said it should use JSON, you know? So it takes an email, unstructured data, a specific email, and in this case, luckily, like all of these inquiries come in the same way, in the same structure, so we can really use this, right? And it produces a JSON format, so we can use that JSON information to do some stuff with this, right? And that's cool. That's what we want. And that's creating a custom prompt. So we can name the prompt, we can add more inputs, and here we can add more data. So data from the Dataverse tables. Can you imagine that you can also just use data that is stored in the Dataverse? The Dataverse, if you don't know what it is, the Dataverse is like a relational database inside your 365 environment.